Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm bringing you another unboxing video. This time it is the unboxing of Galaxy Fit E. I'm bringing you this unboxing video. I know it's been quite a long time since I uploaded my last video, but you know how the circumstances have been in the world throughout. And in this video we are going to be looking at the Galaxy Fit E, unboxing it, what are its features, and connecting it with our device, and first impressions of mine using it. So I hope you like this video, so let's dive into the unboxing. So here it is, the Galaxy Fit E by Samsung, and as you can see the MRP is approximately written of 2500, and it is made in Vietnam. And so let's open it up and see what this device brings for us. Here is the seal. So this kind of fit bands are pretty useful for step counting, and for mild exercises may not be accurate enough as the premium watches, but still these provide a lot of good for light exercises like walking, jogging, may not indoor cycling. Basically, if you go to gym, then also these are pretty fine, because these are pretty cheap. And let's open it up and see. So far so good. So here's the box right here. So here is the device itself, pretty light I think, and let's keep it aside. Let's see what other things we get. And this is probably the charger, I think. Okay, and this is the charger. Pretty easy. You just need to mount it up right here, and it gets charged. We will need it to boot the device up. So let's see what's inside here. Basic fitness guide. This is the warranty card, and how does it work, all things else. So here's the device itself. I must say it's pretty light, I think, and I think it also comes with a heart rate sensor here. Its bigger brother, that is the Galaxy Fit E, offers more features than this, but is also more expensive than this. So it's pretty good for an entry level fitness band. So let's boot it up. First we need to, I think we need to put this on right here, and just won't take much time right now. Like this, and I have a power bank, so connect it here. This will boot it up. As you can see, it comes with boot up Samsung. And yeah, on my, let me show it to you. On my, you will need to have a Galaxy Wearables app, and you can see right now, just booting it up, it shows up. I will click on add now. Galaxy Wearable app will open. This comes pre-installed on Samsung phones, work pretty seamlessly. And here is the pass key. It's pairing it up. And I think that won't take much time. So I will come back when the setup gets complete. Oh, here it is, almost pairing. It will take time now. So device is almost paired, and yeah, agree. Skip for now. We're using it as a new device. It's almost paired, so we're all set to use it. So here you can get notifications as well, and you can control its brightness. Many more settings are there here as well, and weather can be forecasted here. Find my band, and the best thing for me, I think, is the Galaxy Wearables app itself. That is one of the most good part, and there's an update for we will be able to download. So that's the band itself. Let me show it to you by wearing it. Wait a second. So this is how it looks right here. I think it is pretty decent one. So that was the Galaxy Fit E. Samsung offering for an entry-level fitness band. It has many competitors like Honor Band and Xiaomi Band, but let's see how it fares with my usage, and we'll tell you the long-term review and how does it fare, and hope so how much battery it holds. These tend to have quite a good of battery compared to the smartwatches. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing here. So that was the unboxing of Galaxy Fit E. I hope you liked the device and liked the video as well, and you are loving my content at this channel. Stay tuned for more videos to come, and I will be bringing a future video regarding the pros and cons of this device and how it fared with my daily routine. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment what were your thoughts, and see you soon in the next video.